Hello everyone. Intel recently rolled out new updates for their Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers as of December 17, bringing improvements in both performance and security. Wi-Fi driver is version 23.100.0 and Bluetooth driver version 23.100.1. First up, Intel has introduced enhancement to Wi-Fi sensing, which should improve smart device interaction. Next, we have got important security updates to keep your network safer. There are also fixes for performance stability and some vendor-specific issues that might have been causing trouble. And for those on Windows 11, this update enhances 6 GHz capability, ensuring better connectivity for the latest devices. The Bluetooth driver sees similar performance and security upgrades. Together with the Wi-Fi updates, you can expect smoother connection and fewer interruptions. Now here is the important question: do you need this update? If your system is running fine and you don't face any issues, you can skip it for now. However, if you are into gaming or you are noticing stability issues, this update could make a difference. Always remember, while new drivers improve things, they can sometimes cause unexpected problems, so update only if you need it. These updates are specific to certain Intel products. To check if they apply to your system, head to the Intel official websites or check the description of this video for more detail. That is it for today. Make sure to subscribe for more updates and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.